Good morning. First of all, welcome to First Standard. Today, I'm going to teach you maths. Before starting with the lesson, I'll just show you some objects. So let's get started. Children, can you see these objects? Yes. Are they same? No, correct? They are all different. What is the major difference here? Yes, they are all of different shapes. First of all, let me see how many of you know the shapes. Which is this shape? This is circle. What about this? This is triangle. This is a rectangular shape. And this is a square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. And can you tell me the spelling of square? S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. This is a rectangle. Rectangle also has 4 sides and 4 corners. But there is a difference between a square and a rectangle. A square has 4 equal sides, while a rectangle has opposite sides equal. And what is the spelling of rectangle? R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Next we have triangle. Triangle has 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. What is the spelling of triangle? T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. The next shape we have is a circle. Circle has no sides and no corners. What is the spelling of circle? C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. These are the basic shapes that you have already learned in your LKG and UKG class, isn't it? These basic shapes are also known as flat shapes. Okay children, so now I hope you know the difference between flat shapes and solid shapes. Now I am going to have a fun activity. We have learned all the solid shapes, but there's a difference. See, solid shapes like cube, cuboid, they only slide. But shapes like sphere or cylinder, they roll. Do you know why is that so? Because solid shapes like cube and cuboid have flat surfaces. I'll show you. See, this is an example of cuboid. Cuboid has a flat surface. Can you see flat surface? But a ball has curved surface. See, I have kept a flat surface over here and I have kept it little bit tilted, and I'll show you whether these solid shapes will slide or roll over that. Okay, see, first I'm going to place this flat surface cuboid and I'll just leave it, and you can see whether it slides or it rolls. See, it slide. And now I'm keeping a ball over here and then I'm leaving it. It rolled. I'll show you another example. See, this is a cylindrical shape, and if I leave this, it rolls. See? And this is a cube. It has a flat surface. When I leave this, it slides. Can you see the difference? Children, now I'll be teaching you spaces. Now, as you can see, can you tell me the position of these objects? The pencil is near the box. Yes? Similarly, the cube. Cube is inside the box. Yes? And where is the ball? The ball is far away. Yes? Can you see? These different positions are included in the chapter under the heading Space. Children, in the last video I had shown you some of the flat shapes. Today I'll be teaching you solid shapes. So let's get started. Can you tell me which shape is this? This is a cube. Cube is a 3D version of a square. It's similar to a square. Yes. And what is the spelling of a cube? C-U-B-E. Cube. Next shape is this. This is called a cone. Can you see? Yes. And what is the spelling of a cone? C-O-N-E. Cone. Next we have cuboid. It is similar to a rectangle. Cuboid. What is the spelling of cuboid? C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Next shape is sphere. This shape is called as sphere. What is the spelling of sphere? S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. The last shape that we are going to learn today is cylinder. The name of the shape is cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. Now I'll be showing you some examples of these solid shapes. First we had learned cube. What is an example of cube? Have you seen this? Yes, I'm sure many of you are playing with this. Yes, this is a Rubik's cube. It is an example of a cube. Next we had learned cone. Can you tell me example of cone? Yes, one of your favorite things, cone ice cream. And one more example is a birthday cap. Yes, that's an example of cone. Next we learned cuboid. What is an example of cuboid? Have you seen this? Yes, this is an example of cuboid. Next we had learned sphere. What comes to your mind when you see this shape? Yes, a ball. Ball is an example of a sphere. Next we had learned cylinder. See, this is an example of cylinder. These shapes are known as solid shapes. Next exercise is on page number 14. Match the objects with the names of their shapes. Can you see the first object? It's a clock. But what is the shape here? Circle. So we will match with the spelling of circle. Next is a sandwich. Sandwich is having a shape of a triangle. So we will match with triangle. Next we have a photo frame which is square in shape. So square. And our national flag, rectangle in shape. So match with rectangle. Now next page. Children, you might have learned in your UKG and LKG class the difference between a straight line and a curved line. Yes, you have learned straight line and the line which does not follow any pattern is known as a curved line. A butterfly, it flies in a curved manner. And a scissor, it always goes straight. Similarly, chessboard. The movements on the chessboard are always straight. Next exercise is on page number 16. Tick the correct answer in each case. Can you see the picture? Which kind of line is this? Curved or straight? Yes, it is curved. So tick on curved. This one is a straight line. So tick on straight. This one is a curved line. So tick curved. Next, straight line. So tick on straight. Next one. Categorize the stickers for the shapes given at the end of this book according to the type of lines they are made up of. So they have given two columns, straight and curved. Now, as you can see, at the end of this book, there are stickers given of various shapes. You have to peel it off and you have to stick over here on page number 16. Yes? According to those shapes, whether it is coming under straight category, then you have to stick over here. And if it is coming under curved category, you have to stick over here. Okay? Next, draw a line between the two dots to form a straight line and here a curved line. So they had given two dots. I have drawn a straight line here and a curved line here. Okay? Next exercise is on page number 19. Fill in the blanks. See, there are some cubes given and there are letters written on those cubes. Can you see? M, below that N, below that O and below that P. So M is on the top and P is at the bottom. The cube with the letter dash is at the bottom. So, which is at the bottom? P. So you'll write P. Second one, the cube with the letter dash is at the top. Which is at the top? M. So you will write M. The cube with the letter N is dash M. Where is N? It's below M. So you will write below. B-E-L-O-W. The cube with the letter O is dash the letter P. Can you see where is O? It is above P. So A-B-O-V-E, above. Next page, page number 20. Tick the cone that is near to the cuboid. Which cone is near to the cuboid? This one or this one? This one. So tick this cone. Tick the sphere that is far away from Minu. Minu is here. Which is the sphere that is far away? This one. So put a tick. Write O for the objects on the table or the bed. Write U for the objects that is under the table or the bed. See here the doll is on the table. So O for the doll, and similarly the dog is under the table. So U for the dog. See the pillow. Pillow is on the bed. So O for the pillow, and the ball is under the bed. So U for the ball. Similarly, you will solve these two. Okay. Next question. Complete the picture. Draw a ball outside the house. So, I have drawn a ball outside the house. And they have asked you to draw a bird on the roof of the house. So, I have drawn a bird on the roof. Last, we have a worksheet which is on page number 21. Tick the ball under the sofa. So can you see the ball under the sofa? I have ticked it. Fill in the blanks. The clothes are dash the books. See, the books are here and the clothes are above the books. So the answer is above. The garden is dash the house. Where is the garden? Outside? Yes. So write outside. Tick the correct path in each case. See, this is the straight path. So tick on straight. The dog is having a curved path. So tick on curved. Similarly, the elephant is having a curved path. So tick on curved. And the monkey is having a straight path. So tick on straight. Thank you. Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. Today I'll just have a recap of maths lesson number 1, shapes and spaces. In the last video we had learned solid shapes, flat shapes, whether they roll or whether they slide. We had learned curved and straight lines, and also we had learned the positions of an objects, isn't it? So today we'll just have a recap of all the concepts that we learned. Okay? On page number 4, we can see fun in the park. Ansh is playing in the neighborhood park with his friends. See Ansh? Yes, he's playing there. Wow, this park has many objects of different shapes. He's telling that this park has many objects which are of different shapes. Can we find out? Yes, here we have cubes. Can you see the cubes? Yes. What is this shape? Cuboid. Exactly. What is this? It's a cylinder. Yes. Can you see me? Yes. And here it's a sphere. Yes. Can you see? Cone ice cream. We have a cone over here. So in this park, as Ansh said, there are many objects of different shapes. Yes. Now I'll be showing you some examples of cube here. See. Can you see Rubik's Cube? In the last video I had shown you a gift box and a dais. These are all example of cube. Next we had cuboid, pencil box, brick and a wooden box. These are all cuboid. Cylinder shape. Can you see a tin? Yes. Candle. These are all examples of cylinder. Cone, a birthday cap, a cone ice cream. Can you see? These are all examples of cone. Next we learn sphere, football, another ball and a lemon, orange, whatever it is. It's all in sphere. After learning the concept of solid shapes and flat shapes, we had learned whether these solid shapes roll or slide. Remember I had done one fun activity? Yes. Here we have on page number 8, roll and slide. One of Ansh's friend Minu brought along few objects she had collected. Here are some of them. So what are the objects that Minu has collected? A ball, a sharpener, pencil, book, a cap, a ball again, a tin and a dais. Ansh and his friends have decided to play a game. One of the friends will push an object from the top of the slide. Another friend will stand at the bottom of the slide and catch the object. See, first they tried with the can. Look how the juice can rolls down. Yes, why does it roll? Because it is cylinder in shape. Remember I had told that it has a curved face. Yes, cylinder has a curved face, so it rolled down. Next, they had tried with the book, and the book slides because book is a shape of a cuboid and cuboid has a flat surface, so it slides. Similarly, they tried with many other objects. They tried with the ball, and ball rolls down so fast because it is curved face, so it rolls. And then they tried with a dice. What did the dice do? It slided. So why did the dice slide? Because it has a flat surface. Now we will have a quick recap of flat shapes. On page number 11, Ansh and his friends are walking in a park. They see a flower bed. Wow, this flower bed is beautiful. It is in the shape of a triangle. Can you see the picture of a triangle given? Yes. This is a triangle. It has 3 corners. They walk few more steps and see a pond. Can you see the pond? What a lovely pond. It is in the shape of a circle. Yes, I think we will find many shapes in the park. Let us look for more. Then they see a circle. See, this is a circle. It has no corners. Then they all see a bench. Look here, friends. This bench is in the shape of a rectangle. Yes. And this is a rectangle. It has 4 corners. Can you see the corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. After some time, they see an area in the park where the plants are grown. Wow, we have found another shape. This is a square. Yes, they found a space which was having a shape of a square. This is a square. It has 4 corners. So the rectangle, circle, square and triangle are called as flat shapes or plane shapes. A rectangle and a square have 4 corners. A triangle has 3 corners, but a circle has no corners.